Guys, welcome back to Hike Oregon. Today is exploration day, meaning we are checking out multiple trails in the Oak Ridge area. First trail we are checking out is Deception Butte. There was a fire here in summer of 2014. Burned the top of this trail and we're not sure how far it goes in before it ends. So that is what we're exploring today. And then later we will be exploring some other trails further up just past Oak Ridge as well. So I'll catch you on the trail. So we're seeing the first signs of the fire damage. But the trail's still continuing, so we're gonna keep walking. But yeah, it looks like the fire came all the way down here and then basically was held up by the creek here. But yeah, Deception Creek is beautiful. So beautiful. This is where the trail ends, right here, about a mile and a half in. Oh wait, no, it doesn't end. Ha, totally thought it was right there. It goes down here, but you can see that's where it kind of starts getting dicey as far as burn. And not a lot of people have walked here. There's been boulders that have fallen. Trail kind of washed out right here, and then it just kind of dead ends. Yep. And the trail's gone. That's so crazy that this used to be such a cool trail and now it's just gone. So we saw this shiny thing from over at the bridge. And so we came and wanted to see what it was, and it turns out it's an old, mangled car. Yeah, it's really crazy looking. So that's the bumper. Wow. You see the door handle there? It's been here for a long time. I mean, it has moss on it. It's an old car. It's mangled. Okay guys, we found the Pool Creek trailhead. It's in the middle of nowhere. But look at these beautiful rock cliffs. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So the trailhead, there's like a, place to park here, and then it's over here. There's a sign that says trail. It's super hidden. Like you would never see this trail sign from the road unless you knew it was here. But yeah, it's 13.5 miles from Oak Ridge, like from where you turn off to Hills Creek. There's Kitty Prince. Across the log. How cute is that? there's some caves up here. There's one right here, and then that big one. Apparently, I mean, I don't know, that looks like a trail. It could be a game trail or whatever, but it doesn't look like the cougar used the trail to get up. My guess is if the cougar lives in these caves, my guess is it goes up and over that way. Yep. So we're just gonna keep going to the waterfall because I think it's just right over there. And we're gonna continue making noise. And yeah, I mean, we were told there were caves here, but we're not sure if the cougar lives in there. It would make sense. It's a great place for a cougar to live, but yeah. Wow, this is a freaking epic place. What an amazing place. Okay guys, we are here at Wall Creek. There's someone camped there, but yeah, we're here. We are hiking up a short ways. There's a hot spring, so pretty stoked. See if it's actually hot. And yeah, this is our third and last adventure of the day. Guys, this is amazing. This is a natural hot spring. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my god! I'm just exploring all kinds of cool things today. We have my Soloist here, GSI Soloist, Pocket Rocket Stove, MSR fuel, and then we have my Mountain House, spaghetti with meat sauce, but only half a packet. The whole packet is way too much for a lunch, so just got my half packet. And then that's my view. Gorgeous, gorgeous. There's the hot spring. It's not that hot. It's definitely a warm spring. It's maybe 80-some degrees. There's my lunch, guys. It looks horribly disgusting, as most Mountain House meals do. But that's the view. Awesome lunch view. Yum! Lunch at 3 o'clock. Starving. Okay guys, had to do this outro in the car because it is cold outside. I'm really enjoying this hat. As you see, I have been wearing this hat all day. I don't usually wear hats, so you guys might be like, what the hell? Why is she wearing a hat? Well, this is a special hat. It has a hole for my hair, meaning that I don't look like a Smurf when I put the beanie above my bun. So my bun can stick out and I can be nice and toasty and cozy and warm, which is awesome. Anyway, this hike was cool. 0.6. I'm usually like 10.6 miles hiked. Well, it was 0.6.
Short and sweet.
Short and sweet to the warm spring, beautiful river, great. It's been a great adventure day, scouting new trail, and thanks for coming along. I'll catch you on the next adventure.